Imam Fakhruddin Ar-Razi, or his name Abu Abdullah Muhammad ibn Umar, Ibn al-Husayn at-Taimi al-Bakri at-Tabaristani Fakhruddin Ar-Razi, often known by the sobriquet Sultan of the Theologians, was a Persian Islamic scholar. He was born in 1150 Masihi on 26 January in Rey, Iran, and died on 29 March 1210 Masihi in Herat, Afghanistan, at the age of 61. Imam Fakhruddin Ar-Razi was a descendant of Caliph Abu Bakr and was known as Ibn al-Khatib and Khatib ar-Ray. Meanwhile, in Afghanistan and Iran, he was known as Imam Razi. Imam Fakhruddin Ar-Razi wrote various works in the fields of medicine, chemistry, physics, astronomy, and many more. He was one of the earliest proponents and skeptics that came up with the concept of multiverse and compared it with the astronomical teachings of Quran.
Fakhruddin Ar-Razi was born in the 6th century to a family of Arab immigrants from the tribe of Quraysh who migrated to Rey in Amal of Tabaristan. He first studied with his father, who is Dia ad-Din al-Makki, which his father himself is a scholar. Later, at Merv and Maraghi, where he was one of the pupils of Majid ad-Din al-Jili, who in turn had been disciple of al-Ghazali. He was a leading proponent of the Ash'ari school of theology. Ar-Razi is famous in the field of kalam and proficient in debate, who made him a famous preacher in Herat. His commentary on the Quran was the most varied and comprising most of the material of importance that had previously appeared. And the most important work is his commentary against Al-Qanun by Ibn Sina, which based on the opinion of Galen and Rhazes. He devoted himself to a wide range of studies, and he taught at Rey and Ghazni, and he became head of the university founded by Muhammad ibn Tukush at Herat. In his later years, he also shows interest in mysticism, though he never formed a significant part of his thought. During his last time and after his death, his work became source of knowledge accepted by society and references for other scholars.
Imam Fakhruddin Ar-Razi was considered as the revival of Islam and also among the greatest prominent Muslim theologian scholars, as well as the author of one of the most authoritative commentaries on the Al-Quran. He was also considered as the second Al-Razali, as he tried to harmonize between reason and revelation. The writing of Fakhruddin Ar-Razi, of which nearly 100 are known, deal almost with every aspect of Muslim intellectual life and include all the signs of his time. Imam Fakhruddin Ar-Razi has composed a large number of works on the purely Islamic side of exegesis jurisprudence, of which the most famous are the Mafatih al-Ghaib, the voluminous commentary upon the Al-Quran.
Imam Fakhruddin Ar-Razi had written over 100 works on a wide variety of subjects. His major works include Tafsir al-Kabir, known as Mafatih al-Ghaib, Asas at-Taqdis, Ajaib al-Quran, Kitab al-Firasa, and others. One of Imam Razi's outstanding achievements was his unique interpretive works on the Quran called Mafatih al-Ghaib, which is Tafsir al-Kabir. One reason being that it was 32 volumes in length. This work contains much of philosophical interest. One of his major concerns was the self-sufficiency of the intellect. His acknowledgement of the primacy of the Quran grew with his years. A quote from scholars Imam Fakhruddin Ar-Razi, which is, "I regret the time I have been eating instead of being in pursuit of learning, for time is precious."